Hi, I'm David with RapidMaterials. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a hem on a starter panel to be installed at the eave of your roof. First step is to mark the panel rib back 1 inch. Cut the vertical panel leg out and discard the remaining material. Make sure when you cut the flat portion of the panel that you cut it back from the edge about 5 to 10 degrees. Using our ESE first and second stage seamers, we lock the second panel to the first panel. Once the panel is secured in place, use the Rau Eaves Edger TK to create the first part of the bend. Finish the bend using the Rau Eaves Closing Tool TSCH. And now you're done. Thanks for watching our video today. For more great videos, go to YouTube or visit RapidMaterials.com.